Google Home app gets much needed redesign with interactive buttons, and it looks a lot like Android's device controls page. Are you a big Google Home guy, Will?
Yes, I am.
Oh, perfect.
Yes.
So do you want to explain to us the advantage here?
Yeah. So this is the original. This is what the software is right now. And it's very complicated, I find. Needlessly complicated. There's these buttons here up top, and they control all of the lights, media, home, thermostat stuff, cameras. And I don't feel like it's that intuitive, but the new update I feel like is a little bit more intuitive, where you can access the
So they got rid
actual
of all
options,
those
like
buttons. They got
specifically.
rid of all those buttons at the top.
Yeah,
It looks less friendly. It might be more useful, but it looks less friendly.
I agree. It's less friendly, but it's very utility. Mm-hmm. You go into the app and you can pick out specific smart things and turn them on and off.
So they simplified it.
It's a really simple update,
Yeah.
but yeah,
I have a
like
few.
it.
I have a few devices in here. I have a few of those speakers, and some of the Android TV stuff shows up in there from time to time. But I'm not like a frequent user. Like, my life doesn't revolve around Google Home.
You don't set any schedules or anything,
No,
do you?
no, nothing like that. I mean, maybe it's possible, but it's the management aspect. Like in this category, I want things to more what do you call it? Passive computing, like knowing what I want and like becoming smarter in that way.
Yeah.
Less input, less user input. Automation. I mean, it is called automation.
Yeah, I would like
Wait.
this even more so, where you can set like a routine
Yes.
and it's all automated.
Yes.
You can do that here in the old one or the current one, but it's still a little bit complicated. So I'm looking forward to seeing what they do for routines here. But for the buttons,
And I know for the record you can set schedules, but it's one of those ones where, like with the thermostat, it learns.
yes,
It's learning all the time. I like the idea of these type of devices learning. I know that
Oh, like how the Tesla car learns to go up certain speed bumps after you've done the route a few times.
Good stuff.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Good stuff. I'm sure some of these devices do that, but